Good morning to my lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is HAO. Today I would like to share and talk about the hydrocarbon compounds and talk about the fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are natural energy sources formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Over time, their remains will be buried under layers of earth where they will exposed to intense heat and pressure. This process turns them into substances like coal, crude oil, or also called petroleum and natural gas. These fuels are made up mainly of hydrocarbon, which are chemical compounds consisting of hydrogen and carbon atoms. The main types of the hydrocarbons found in fossil fuels include alkanes such as methane, ethane, and propane, as well as aromatic hydrocarbons, which are found especially in oil products like gasoline. Are you for or against the continued use of fossil fuels? Personally, I am against the continued use of fossil fuels. Firstly, burning fossil fuels release a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This greenhouse gas traps heat and contributes significantly to climate change. Rising global temperature, melting polar ice, and more frequent extreme weather like floods and droughts is the visible effects. Secondly, fossil fuels are a non-renewable resources, meaning they will be eventually run out. They took millions of years to form and are using them up much faster than they can even be replaced. If we continue relying on them, we are putting future generations at risk. Thirdly, the pollution caused by burning fossil fuels is harmful to human health. In cities with heavy traffic or nearby factories, people are exposed to smoke, harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, and even tiny particles that can enter the lungs. This can lead to respiratory disease and heart problems. What is an alternative and how can it help? One of the best alternatives to fossil fuels is solar energy. It is used sunlight to produce electricity through solar panels. Unlike fossil fuels, solar power is renewable, green, and widely available. It does not release harmful gases or pollutants into the air, and once the panels are installed, the energy is free to use. By switching to solar energy, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, cut down carbon emissions, and protect the environment while improving public health. Thank you for listening my talking and sharing.